Next topic is acceleration due to gravity of the earth. We know that earth is a spherical shape. So, a sphere made of a large number of concentric spherical shells. These are all spherical shells. Here the smallest one is at center and the largest one is at its surface. Here I am taking a sphere. So this is a earth. The mass of the earth is ME and it is a center. The radius of the earth is RE. Here I am taking a sphere of radius small r inside of this sphere. So that is this sphere having radius small r and mass capital MR. Here I am taking a point P lies outside of the sphere of the radius small r. So here it is small p. If a point mass kept at point P, so gravitational force on this mass due to this spherical shell is 0 because this mass is inside of the spherical shell. But gravitational force due to this sphere is not 0 because this point mass is outside of the sphere. The force on mass M at point P is so that is called F is equal here G into M1 M2 by R square. So here M1 is equal to small m. Here the entire mass of the sphere is concentrated at center. So here M2 is Mr and the distance between two masses is R. So that is G M Mr by R square. So let us take this is equation 1. But mass of the earth is good. So, but we know the mass of the earth so that is equal ME is equal we know volume is equal mass by density. So from this mass is equal volume into density. So here volume of the sphere is that is 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho. So here mass of the earth is how we can write volume into density. Here volume is how much 4 by 3 pi re cube into rho. So from this how we can write ME is equal 4 by 3 pi rho into re cube. So let us take this is equation 2. The mass of the sphere is mr is, how we can write? Here also volume into density. Here volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho. So here earth is a uniform. So sphere and earth have same density. So from this mr is equal, how we can write? 4 by 3 pi rho into r cube. So let us take this is equation 3. So divide equation 3 with equation 2. Equation 3 by equation 2. So we can get mr by me is equal 4 by 3 pi rho r cube by 4 by 3 pi rho capital R E cube. So here 4 by 3 pi rho, 4 by 3 pi rho cancel. So from this we can get mr is equal, so take this side, me by re cube into small r cube. So let us take this is equation 4. So substitute equation 4 in equation 1. Here it have mr. So substitute equation 4 mr value in this equation. So substitute mr value in equation 1. So from this we can get the force F is equal G m by r square me by re cube into r cube. So here r square cancel. So remaining terms is, how we can write? So therefore force is equal G small m capital Me by re cube into r. If r is equal to re, so the point mass is outside of the earth. So how we can write? Gravitational force on point mass F is equal G into small m into capital Me by re cube into re. So here 1 re cube, it is square. So gravitational force on point mass F is equal G m capital Me by re square. So let us take this equation 5. According to Newton's second law, F is equal ma. Here A is equal acceleration due to gravity. A is equal G. So from this F is equal, how we can write? mg. So let us take this is equation 6. From equation 5 and 6, so here we can write mg is equal, how we can write? G into m into me by re square. So here small m small cancel. So we can get, therefore G is equal capital G capital Me by re square. So this is known as acceleration due to gravity. So here G is equal G. Here G is equal G Me by re square. So this is known as acceleration due to gravity of the earth. So it have how much value? So that is nearly 9.8 meter per second. Here it is 9.8 meter per second square. Acceleration due to gravity above the surface of the earth. Here I am taking a point mass at h height of the earth surface. Here radius of the earth is RE. Mass of the earth is ME. So here earth is earth like a sphere. The entire mass of the sphere is concentrated at its center. So the distance between two masses is how much? So here it is RE. So here it is RE plus H. So the distance between two masses is how much? That is RE plus H. So if point mass is on the surface, so here we learn the force of attraction between two masses is F is equal G M ME by RE square. Acceleration due to gravity G is equal G ME by RE square. But point mass is at h height above the surface of the earth. Here we have to find acceleration due to gravity at h height. So the force of attraction between two masses, so at h height is, how we can write? G into, here m1 is equal to m, m2 is equal to me. So here r is square. So r square means what? The distance between two masses. So that is, here to here it is re plus h. Re plus h whole square. Acceleration due to gravity at h height is, how we can write? F of h by small m. So here f of h by small m is equal to, how we can write? So 1 by m into, here f of h is equal to G m me by re plus h whole square. So here small m cancel. So we can get G of h is equal to G me by re plus h whole square. So here take re common. So here G me by, take re common, that is re square. So your remaining term is 1 plus h by re whole square. So here it is denominator, take numerator. So we can get G me by re square. So if we take numerator, so this is 1 plus h by 1 plus h by re whole to power of minus 2. For h is very less than re, so using binomial expression, according to binomial expression, so here we can write 1 plus h by re whole to power of minus 2 can be written as, so 1 minus 2h by re, so plus, so this square plus dash dash dash. So here we can neglect higher order terms. So this is nearly equal to 1 minus 2h by re. So substitute these values in this equation. So we can get G of h is equal G me by re square into, so this value nearly equal to 1 minus 2h by re. But here G me by re square is nothing but acceleration due to gravity on the surface. So it can be written as G. So here G of H is equal, how we can write? G into 1 minus 2H by RE. Here if H is increased, so here 1 minus 2H by RE value decreases. So finally G of H is decreases. So here G decreased by a factor. So here G of H decreases by a factor 1 minus 2H by RE. So here height of the point mass is increases. So acceleration due to gravity at that point is decreases. Acceleration due to gravity below the surface of the earth. Here I am taking earth. Mass of this earth is ME. Here it is center. Radius of the earth is RE. So here we have to find acceleration due to gravity below the surface of the earth. So in depth D, here I am taking a sphere. So if we kept a point mass at this point, so the radius of the sphere is how much? So here to here, that is RE, here to here D. So here to here how much? That is RE minus D. So this radius is how much? It is RE minus D. So radius of the sphere is RE minus D. Mass of the sphere is mr. So here we have to find acceleration due to gravity at point mass m. We know mass of the earth ME is equal to, how we can write? Volume into density. Volume of the sphere is how much? That is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here it is a sphere, here it is a earth. So the radius of earth is RE cube into rho. So let us take, this is equation 1. So what about mass of the sphere? So that is volume into density. Here volume is called 4 by 3 pi. Radius of the sphere is RE minus D whole cube into rho. So divide equation 2 with equation 1. So here equation 2 by equation 1 is equal, how we can, how much we can get? So that is mr by ME is equal 4 by 3 pi RE minus D whole cube into rho by 4 by 3 pi RE cube into rho. So here 4 by 3 pi rho cancel. So from this how we can write? So mr is equal, that is equal RE minus D whole cube by RE cube into, take this side, it is ME. In depth D, force of attraction is how much? So here force of attraction F of D is equal, how we can write? So here m1 m2 by, so here mass m1 is equal to m, mass m2 is equal to mr. So here it is a sphere, entire mass is concentrated at center. So that is m1 is equal to m, m2 is equal to mr. So here g m1 is equal to m, m2 is equal to mr by r square. R is how much here? Re minus d whole square. So here, but mr is equal to how much? So that is g m by re minus d whole square. Substitute mr value in this equation. So mr is equal to how much? Re minus d whole cube by re cube into me. So that is re minus d whole cube by re cube into me. So here re minus d whole square 2 cancel. So remaining is re minus d. So we can get f of d is equal to how much? That is g m capital me by re cube into re minus d. Take all re common. So that is g m me by re square re cube into re. So here 1 minus d by re. So here re 1 re cancel. So remaining is 2. So we can write f of d is equal to how we can write? G small m capital me by re square into 1 minus d by re. So here g of d is equal to what? So f of d by small m. So that is equal to 1 by m into, here f of d is equal to g m me by re square into 1 minus d by re. So here m cancel. So finally we can get g of d is equal g me by re square into 1 minus d by re. So therefore here g of d is equal to what? So here g me by re square is g 1 minus d by re. Here also at depth is increases. Here depth is increases, d increases. So here 1 minus d by re value decrease. So finally g of d is decreases. Here g of d is decreases by a factor 1 minus d by re. So here also if depth is increases, acceleration due to gravity in that depth decreases.